my name is Jörg. Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to make a penny stove or an alcohol stove, so stick with me. You are going to need 2 cans of roughly the same size. You will need a hammer, a sharp object of some kind to poke holes into the cans. Cotton pads or cotton balls are optional, and scissors. So let's get going. The first thing you want to do is you want to cut off the top half. And for the other can, I will do 16 holes. So that's 4. For the next 4 holes you want to go in between. So now you should have 8 holes, and now the next part you want to do is you want to poke a hole in between all the holes you have. So now that you made the holes, you want to make holes in the middle and make sure that you cut the holes smaller apart than your coin is. As you can see, the penny covers all the holes. Now that you made the holes, you don't need to strengthen the structure of the can anymore. Now you can just cut it off. And this is optional. You want to fill it up with the cotton pads. If you want to take this on a trip and backpacking, this will restrict the flow of the fuel inside, kind of like a Zippo does. And you want to place them, tear them apart and put them in the lower part of the can first, and then you can just continue with more pads, just like this. Spread them out a bit. And if you got yourself a Red Bull can, or you want to do Red Bull size, these cotton pads, they will fit exactly, and you can just stack them, keep them like this. But since this is a bit bigger, I'm gonna tear them apart. Now it's time to nick the bottom part, and if you nick it, don't nick it all the way down, all the way the printed way. Just nick it only halfway down, because if you do it the whole part, you're gonna mess up the seal, and you don't want that. The less you nick it, the better seal you will have, but the harder time you will have putting the tops together. Add a few more cotton pads if you got some spares left. Close it up. And this is the part where you want to spend some time. So once you have done that, the stove is complete. The only thing you have to do is to add the fuel. I'm going to add burning alcohol, and you want to pour it down the middle. It will drain away, and when it doesn't drain anymore, it's full. Easy. So as you can see, mine doesn't drain anymore, so now it's time to light it for the first time. And when you do this the first time, it's normal for this to overflow, to spill a bit, to leak a bit. So if you do this outside, please do this in the dirt, remove all the leaves, don't start a fire. What this does is you want to heat up the alcohol in the stove, heat up the stove a bit, and then the flame will come out through the holes. You can lay the coin in the middle. And what the coin will do is this will add pressure to the can. The flame in the middle will die out eventually, because the pool gets drained out. And the flames on the side will burn hotter, higher. And if the pressure inside the can gets way too hot, the coin just lifts up and the can won't explode, or the fuel won't spew out through the holes. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.